Changing clip sizes. So let's say I come over here and I drag in this particular clip and I let go. And it says this clip does not match the sequence settings. Change sequence to match the clip settings. And I could say change the settings and it would automatically do it. But if I say keep the existing settings, I keep those particular settings. Now, if later on you want to come in and change it, you can pick on the clip, right click, and say scale to frame size. All right. So when we scale the frame size, everything gets scaled in so it fits the frame size. And you can also really see this a little bit sometimes with images in particular. So let's try that with an image. It works kind of the same way. If I were to drag in, let's say, an image over here, and I'll put it right up there, and we'll come in and take a look at this image, you can see that it's not scaled very well. We have this problem more so with images almost. If I right click on this thing and say I want to set this the frame size, see now it fits the frame size. So this is a handy tool to set to our frame size or scale to our frame size. And so I can come in here at any time and do that. I want to set it to the frame size, and you can see that it's now set to the frame size here, as where if I were to come out here and not have that, right, it'd be huge. My text you wouldn't be able to read the whole screen. So sometimes the photos and images are not the same size, and we have to come back in and either set it to the frame size or scale it to the frame size.